Hello guys! When your car needs some upgrades, we're here to help you out. As always, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. So let's get started. Number 1. Caraide Multi-Tool. This 18-in-1 multi-tool is a must for every car owner. You can use it to jumpstart your car since a 1000 amp peak current is strong enough to do that, and a built-in battery will take care of your devices. But what we like best is that it's a wild card in emergencies. It can easily cut the safety belt and break the window. Any attackers and robbers will run away when they hear a super loud alarm. A super bright flashlight and an SOS light may also come in handy with its compact design and built-in industrial magnet. You can store the multi-tool either in a cup holder glove box or simply put it on the car door. This thing will keep you out of trouble. Number 2. Signal Booster. With the Signal Booster, you'll get perfect cellular connectivity even in the middle of nowhere. So there are 3 major components: the outside antenna that mounts on the roof, the actual booster that amplifies the signal, and the inside antenna that distributes your improved signal through the vehicle. Everything you need for installation is included in the package: the adhesive disc mounting bracket, and of course your power supply. What's cool, there's a built-in USB port to charge your phone. This thing suits any type of vehicle, whether it's a car, truck, or van. Place the booster under the seat and hide the cables. Now it's completely discreet. And yet, all your passengers can enjoy a strong signal. It even works with a 5G network. Number 3. Head-up display. This head-up display provides the coolest way to keep your eyes on the road while also getting all the needed info. The display connects to your phone via Bluetooth and works with all your favorite navigation apps. And on top of that, this brings all your instant notifications and text without compromising your safety. You might even take hands-free phone calls. Thanks to the modern design, the Gadget perfectly fits any car interior, and installation is literally a matter of seconds. There are also a couple of really neat add-ons: the side view and rear view cameras that feature an ultra-wide angle along with a rugged weatherproof body, and a night vision camera that lets you see in the dark, almost like it's midday. Number 4. KETO gadgets. Car keys are clearly outdated, and this is the future. This little gadget combined with the mobile app turns your smartphone into the ultimate car key. Your car will start only when the phone is detected nearby, although you can easily share the keys with friends and loved ones and set a time limit so they know when to come back. If anything goes wrong, you might retrieve the key manually. Aside from that, the app lets you easily unlock your doors and trunk. Best of all, this thing doesn't require long installation. It simply plugs in via regular USB. Number 5. Emoji Car Display. Do you like this LED display for your car? The dedicated mobile app acts as a remote control, delivering 1,000s of emojis, smiles, and fun animations. You can let everyone know there's a baby in the car or support your favorite team on game days. More than that, you're free to draw your own images and texts. The display easily installs on any of your windows. Most importantly, this thing is compatible with Siri and Google Assistant, which allows safe and hands-free use, and your passengers will definitely enjoy the preloaded 8-bit games. Number 6. Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Here's the most reliable and easy-to-use puncture repair kit for tires. No need to remove the tire, just screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug. These plugs safely seal the tire from the inside, providing a long-term solution. The package includes over a dozen of them. That's more than enough. And there's a rust-proof stainless steel nozzle that will last for ages. So the tool is great, but the gun kit is even better. It uses the same materials, yet makes the process way easier and faster. Number 7. Michelin Uptis Airless Tires. Okay, these were some handy tools. But what if you had tires that are virtually invulnerable to any threat? Meet the Airless Tire, the 3D printed and eco-friendly solution to eternal problems. No more punctures. No more. Pressure control over 20% of scrap tires can be addressed by this new technology. Driving across various obstacles is easier than ever. And imagine how much resin is saved in production. Number 8. TrapTap. This tiny gadget makes sure you'll never get a speeding ticket again. You just put this thing on your dash or anywhere else using the included sticky pad. The integrated LED light glows with 3 different colors, letting you know if there's a red light camera if you're speeding or if there's a hidden speed cam. Once you see the alert, feel free to snooze it with a single tap. But there's a catch. Many users note this thing doesn't detect all traps or warn you too late, although you might help improve the system. A double tap adds a new trap on everyone's map. This thing is both GPS and Bluetooth enabled, which lets you pair it with your phone and get additional notifications. But once again, some users have experienced issues with pairing. Okay, now we want to know what are some of your favorite car gadgets. Let us know in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more amazing videos such as this one, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching.